Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy bread directly on Coinbase Wallet. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device, and in the search bar, you simply need to type coinmarketcap/currencies/bread. Once done, you will be landed on the overview page of Bread, where you just have to scroll down, and here you will be able to see its contract address. So you simply need to copy this contract address from here, and after that you just have to launch your Coinbase wallet. Now once you are on your Coinbase wallet, you need to tap on the browser tab in the bottom, and then among the given swaps you just have to tap on Uniswap. Once done, you will be landed on the official website of Uniswap, where you will have to first connect your Coinbase wallet with it. In order to connect it, you will have to tap on the connect button in the top, and then you just have to connect your Coinbase wallet. After that, you need to select the network. So as we want to purchase bread, it is on the base network. So you will have to tap on the stop arrow button and you need to select the base network. Then you will have to tap on the select token option, and after that in the search bar you simply need to paste the contract address that we have just copied. So you just have to select the bread coin and then press I understand. Then you need to enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to convert or swap into bread. After that, you need to tap on the swap button, and this way you will be able to easily purchase a bread coins on your Coinbase wallet. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.